this particular campaign. This helps you get massive results. So the first tip, your lifetime, you should select the lifetime budget instead of daily budget. All right, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ike Akingbola speaking. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make Facebook work for you. So many people run ad, at the end of the day, after they are done running the ad, they end up wasting their money, and Facebook don't give them the result that they have always desired. They want to generate money, but they've not been able to generate that particularly they want because they didn't allow Facebook to work for them. Now, if I show you my screen, you will see that in the screen I have this particular messaging conversion, which I have 395 people currently, and I'm getting that at this particular rate, and I've spent 46,843 naira so far. And this particular ad, I wouldn't want to tell you how much is generated for my clients, and this is because we have allowed Facebook to do most of the work. So if you want to know, if you want Facebook to do all the work for you and you just sit there and keep attending to your clients, watch this video till the end. Don't forget to click on the subscription button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's go into the video. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Alright, so what I want to share with you is this particular screen, like I've showed you the other time, is the result from one of the ads we ran for a client. You can see the details of the demography, and you can see the tons of messages this client has gotten within the past few days that this campaign actually started. And this campaign has been yielding a lot of results so far for my client. And there are just some major tips and tricks that we used that made us to have this particular result. So I'm setting up a campaign from start to end, and I'll be sharing this particular tricks and tips for you so that the next ad you'll be running, you will use this particular. So what was the first thing? So I'll create a new campaign, click on, I believe you know how to get here. So if you don't know how to get here, let me quickly show you. Go open another tab, go to business.facebook.com. If you want, you can type business.facebook.com/ads manager. So once you do that, it will redirect you straight into that particular set of ad accounts that you have. Then on those ad accounts, you can select the particular ad account you want to use to run that particular. Once you are done doing that, the next thing that you need to do is select the particular ad account. So for instance, this is the ad account I want to use to set up this campaign. Once you select the ad account, you need to click on create. Create option will allow you to create a campaign. So this particular thing can be done both using your phone and using your PC. So whatever is using your phone to watch this, you're not going to be having any problem. So you click on create. Once you click on create, the kind of campaign objective you're going to select is going to be dependent on the kind of ad you want to run. But if you want to use the particular step-by-step guide I'm giving you, you'll be going for the engagement campaign or engagement objective. Is that okay? Once you select the engagement objective, you want to receive more message. So because of the kind of ad we're running, we wanted to make sales. So we wanted people to send us message and interact with the campaign. So the first thing we did was select an engagement campaign objective. Once we did that, the next thing is that we're not going to be doing anything on this campaign except that we'll be renaming this. I'll name this test campaign. So once we rename the campaign, you don't do anything here. Come to the ad set levels. Don't forget there are 3 stages. The first one is the campaign level, this, and the second one is the ad set level, which is this. So on the ad set level, what you need to do is select a particular messaging app that you feel convenient for people to send message and you can respond to them immediately. Some people prefer using Messenger. Some people prefer using other different platforms. But our advice, you stick with WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll be using WhatsApp here. So this is the messaging app, and then you come here and select a particular messaging app you want them to reach out to. So if you are good with 3 of them, why not? Well, I'll select only WhatsApp and I'll tick the other ones. So once you select WhatsApp, and make sure the phone number is correct. Now, your budget, you would not be using the budget here. Is that okay? Your budget will not be set up on the ad set level. You go to you're setting up a lifetime budget. So let me show you where the lifetime budget is right now. Okay, so on this same portion, Here's the lifetime budget. Okay, so so you click on this and select lifetime budget. So lifetime budget. Now if you want to run the ad for the next 5 days and you want to spend 2,000 rand per day, don't forget at the end of the day you're spending 10,000 rand. So you would set up this ad at the limit of 10,000 rand. So this is one of the major things on the tips. So you can see that you can select less than 13,000. So let's go for 14,000 rand. So you'll be spending 14,000 rand on this particular campaign. This helps you get massive results. So the first tip, your lifetime, you should select the lifetime budget instead of daily budget. Is that okay? That way you can get better results. So you can select the date of when you want to run the ad for. April, if you are starting today and you want to end this particular ad in the next 3 days or 5 days, whatever the days is, you click the date and you're good. So once you're done, the next thing you want to do now, since you want Facebook to work, so that means that you would only be selecting the location. Is that okay? You will not be selecting any detail targeting. You will not be selecting any specific instruction. You want Facebook to do the work for you, and this can work most of the time. So in doing that, what you want to do next is to select the country, or to be specific, especially maybe due to delivery or is the arrangement you have, you want to select specific location. So if you're in Nigeria, I want to select those in Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. If those are the places you have delivery to, they can specifically select those particular set of people and then make delivery to them directly once they reach out to you. So every other thing, the age, you leave it like this. You can, but most time personally, I always advise to select the age range of the people you want. Okay, so even though Facebook is doing the work, but you still select age. So you want from age 25 to let's say age let's say 55, depending on the kind of product you're selling and the kind of avatar you take you want. So you can also change the male or female depending on the kind of product you're selling. So you want Facebook to do the work for you does not mean that you should not select the gender, especially if your product is gender sensitive. So once you're done with it, those are the few tricks that are very important. The next thing you want to do is leave this placement as advantage, because you want Facebook to do most of the work for you. So since you are leaving this particular portion on advantage, don't select manual, then you're good to go. All you need to do, go to the next ad level and set up your campaign. When setting up your campaign, make sure that you are able to set it up and make sure you're using a very nice creative. So for this particular trick I'm giving you, make sure you are using a video content. You're using a video content, and make sure your ad copy is very easy and very simple for people to understand. And make sure your call to action is very powerful. So most times your call to action, since you are sending a message, is chat with us. So they should chat with us or ask them to order now, or something very direct, and the call to action should be very powerful. Is that okay? So those are the few things that you need to do. Once you're done setting that up, you come and click on publish. Once you publish that ad, I want you to send me a DM. I'll be dropping my number at the end of this video or at the description, so that you tell me the kind of results you got after setting up your campaign. Now, the major things I showed you were in the ad set level. For the ad level, all you need to do is upload your video. Make sure you're using video content. Use a very good Use a very good ad copy. The ad copy has to be very solid. If the ad copy is solid, then you're good to go. So if you have any questions, I'll be expecting you in the comment. Drop your questions. I'll attend to them. Meanwhile, my WhatsApp number will be on the description and also in the comment section. Reach out to me. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you really love this particular video. I'll see you in the other content. Thank you.